Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and studying regularly at home. So, children, today we are going to start with next chapter of geography, which is named as Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Before starting this chapter, I am going to tell you a story whose main character is Salima. Salima had gone to visit Manali in Himachal Pradesh along with her classmates. She was very excited about the summer camp she was attending. She recalled how surprised she was to see the changes in the landform and natural vegetation. As the bus climbed higher and higher, the deep jungles of the foothills comprising sal and teak slowly disappeared. She could see tall trees with thin pointed leaves and cone shaped canopies on the mountain slopes. She learnt that those were coniferous trees. From Manali, as she was traveling up to Rohtang Pass, she saw that the land was covered with short grass and snow in some places. Children, what do we get to know from Salima's observations? We came to know about the fact that there is a clear, close relationship between height of land and the character of vegetations. Also, with the change in height, the climate changes and that changes natural vegetation. Do you know that the growth of vegetation depends on temperature and moisture? It also depends on factors like slope and thickness of soil. The type and thickness of natural vegetation varies from place to place because the variation in these factors. Natural vegetation is generally classified into three broad categories. First one is forests. Forests grow in the area where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Depending upon these factors, dense and open forests are grown. Second category is grasslands. Grasslands grow in the region of moderate rainfall. And the third category is shrubs. Thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in the dry region. When Salima shared her experience with her father, he told her about coniferous forests in the subpolar region, thorny bushes in the deserts, thick tropical hardwood forest in the humid regions, and many more. Salima realized the Himalayas have almost all variety of vegetation, which one can see while moving from the equator to polar regions. Children, why do you think that there are changes in the type of natural vegetation? This is mainly because of the changes of climatic conditions. In this segment, we would study about the first type of natural vegetation, which is forests. Forests are of six types. Let us study about them one by one. First type of forest is tropical evergreen forests or tropical rainforests. These are thick forests which occur in the regions near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. This means everything there always leaves. This is the reason they are called evergreen. The thick canopies of the closely spaced trees do not allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest even the daytime. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common here. Next category is tropical deciduous forests. These are the monsoon forests found in the large part of India, northern Australia and in Central America. These regions experience seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. The hardwood found in these forests are sal, teak, neem, and shisham. These trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport, and constructional materials. Tigers, lions, elephants, langurs, and monkeys are the common animals of these regions. Now comes the third category of forest called temperate evergreen forests. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents, example in southeast USA, South China, and in southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and softwood trees like oak and pine. We will study about the next categories of forest in the next segment.